So, good morning students. So far we have seen till exercise 13.1 and today we are going to start with the laws of exponents. Okay. So, let's say there's a question which says 2 power 2 multiplied with 2 power 3. To solve this, we have to find 2 power 2, which is 2 into 2. Then we have to find 2 power 3, which is 2 into 2 into 2. And then we have to multiply all this and we will get the answer, which is 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. And 2, 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 4, 32 is the answer. So instead of this, we can use some formulas, or we say that as identities. So one such identity or law of exponent is whenever the base is same and powers are different, or maybe they are also same, it's okay. What we can do is we can keep the base as it is and then we can just add the power. Keep the base as it is and then add the power, we will get the answer. So look here, here the base is 2, here the base is 2, so keep the 2 as it is and then just add the powers. We will get 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. So this is one such identity, which is if the base is same and the numbers are in multiplication, then we can just add the powers. So we have to keep the base as it is and just add the powers. Now let me do some questions, simple questions with this. Minus 3 power 4 into minus 3 power 3. So in this, see, the base is minus 3, here the base is minus 3. The power is 4, the power is 3. We know when the base is same and the numbers are in multiplication, we have to just add the power. So minus 3, keep the minus 3 as it is, then just add the power. So we'll get minus 3 to the power 7, which is the right answer. Okay. Now see one more question. A power 2 into A power 4. A power 2 into A power 4 can be written as, keep the base at this, then just add the power. We will get A power 6. Now, this is for multiplication purpose. Whenever we have the same base and the numbers are in multiplication, we have to add the powers. So what should we do when it is a case of division? So when it is a case of division, let's see, here I have 2 power 4 and here I have 2 power 3. So whenever it is in division, we can simply do like this, and 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. The final answer is going to be 2. So we can find the same answer using another law of exponent, which is, if it is a power m divided by a power n, then keep the base at is and just subtract the powers. Whenever you subtract the powers, remember the first one should come in the first. The whichever number you have in the numerator, that number's power should come first. It should be m minus n, not n minus m. This is wrong. It should always be m minus n. Okay. So let's do it. Let's do the same question using the identity. See here, 2 power 4, 2 power 3. Keep the base at is first job. Next is subtract the top power with the bottom power. So we will get here 2 power 1, which is 2. So let's do few more questions with division. 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 4. Okay. Now See, the base here is 3, here the base is 3, the sign is division. So we can use the formula, which is keep the 3 as it is, then subtract the powers. In multiplication, remember, we add the powers. In division, we subtract the powers. Okay. So here when we subtract the powers, we will get 3, 7 minus 4, which is 3 power 3. Okay. Now see this one, 10 power 8 divided by 10 power 3. How to do this one? See, first keep the base as is, then just subtract the powers. So 10 power 5 is the answer. Okay. So this was our second law of exponent or second identity. Now the third one which we are going to study is power of a power. The third one that we are going to study is power of a power. See, if it is given like this, 2 power 3 whole power 2, then what we should do is, in general term, we will first find 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube, whole power 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is how much? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. 8 power 2 is 8 into 8, 64. So, see, this is little bit lengthy, but if we use the exponents of the law of exponents, which is this one, if we have a number to the power m to the power n, the final answer is always keep the a as it is and just multiply the powers. Okay. So see here, if we apply the same formula here, we will get 2 power 3 into 2, which is how much? 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is how much? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 to 32, 32 to 64. See, we are getting the same answer but with a less number of steps. So this is what identities or the law of exponents do. So this is the third law of exponents, which is power of power. A power m whole power n is a power m into n. Okay. Now see, let's do some more questions. 6 power 2 whole power 4. We do not have to find the exact answer, we just have to write them in the exponential form. So 6 power 2 into 4, which is 6 power 8. Okay, if you solve it, we will get an answer, but we just required it in the exponential form. Now the second one, 2 power 2 whole power 100 is equal to 2 power 2 into 100, which is 2 power 200. Okay. Okay, now see, look at page number 256. Look at page number 256, example 7. The question is here is, can you tell which one is greater, 5 power 2 or 5 power 2 into 3 or 5 power 2 whole power 3? So the question is, which one is greater? The first number is 5 power 2 into 3 or 5 power 2 whole cube. So let's solve it and see. 5 power 2 is how much? 5 power 2 is 5 into 5. 5 into 5. 5 power 2 is 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is 5 into 3. Or 5 power 2 is 5 into, we will use the identity here, which is 5 power 6. Which is the, so here the answer is 5 power 2 into 3. So 5 power 2 into 3 is 5 power 6. Yes, 5 power 6. This is going to be 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 3. So 25 into 3 is, 25 into 2 is 50. 25 into 3 is 75. So the answer here is 75. Whereas Whereas the answer here is 5 into 5 into 5 into. So obviously this is bigger. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So obviously this number is greater. So 5 square whole power 3 is greater than 5 square into 3. Okay. Okay, now the next one that we are going to study is multiplying powers with the same exponents. Multiplying powers with the same exponents. Let's say I have a number which is 2 power 3 into 3 power 3. See, in this case, look here. Here the base is 2, the power is 3. Here the base is 3, the power is 3. Here the base is not same, but the power are same. So what we are supposed to do here? What we are going to do is, we will keep the base, we will multiply the base and keep the power as it is. So there is an identity for this also, which is a power m into b power m is equal to ab power m. So the identity that will be used here is a power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. Okay, a into b whole power m. So look here. Here the power is 2 into 3. The base is 2. Here the base is 3. So 2 into 3 whole power 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 power 3. So the final answer is 6 power 3. Okay. Now let's do some questions with this. Now remember one thing. Now remember this way, one thing. See, if a power m into b power m is equal to ab whole power m, then we can write this reverse also. Let's say if ab whole power m is given, then we can write it as a power m into b power m. So let's say if 6 power 3 is given. If 6 power 3 is given, then we can write it as 2 into 3 whole power 3, which we can write it as 2 power 3 into 3 power 3. So if 6 whole power 3, 6 cube is given, then we can write it as 6 is 2 into 3, so 2 into 3 whole power 3. Then we can further split it in like this, 2 cube into 3 cube. Okay. So students, now look at some of the questions from example 8. Page number 256. Page number 256, example 8, which is 2 into 3 power 5. So we will use the identity here, which is 2 into 3. Yes, so this is in the form of a into b whole power m. We can split it as a power m into b power m. So express the following terms in the exponential form. So we have to express this entire term in the exponential form. So here what we are going to do is, this is what we are given here and we want the result to be like this. Okay, so what we will do is 2 power 2 into 3 power 5 can be written as 2 power 5 into 3 power 5. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the next question. Which is 2a whole power 4. So 2a whole power 4 can be written as 2a into 2a into 2a into 2a. So here see 2 into 2, 2, 2. So there are 4 2. How many a are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4a. A into a square into a cube into a to the power 4. 2 1, 2, 3, 4. So that can be written as 2 power 4 into a power 4. Okay. So the next one that we are going to study is dividing powers with the same exponents. Dividing powers with the same exponents. So you see here, we are given 2 power 4 divided by 3 power 4. So this can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So this can be written as 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So we are multiplying 2 by 3 4 times. So that can be written as 2 by 3 whole power 4. So this is one more type of identity where if it is given like this, a power m divided by b power m, the final answer is a by b whole power m. Okay, so this is the next identity, which is if the powers, so dividing powers with the same exponents. So here see a power m, here it is b power m. Then what we have to do is we have to take this base in the division form, and then we have to keep the exponents as it is. Okay, the same exponents as it is. There will be no change in that. Okay. So this is dividing powers with the same exponents. Let's do some questions based on this. So see 3 by 5 whole power 4. So 3 by 5 whole power 3 by 5 whole power 4 can be written as 3 by 5 multiplied with 3 by 5 multiplied with 3 by 5 multiplied with 3 by 5. Okay, next it can be written as expand. Okay, this is just to expand. Okay, this is example 9 that I did. Example 9 is to expand. So this is how you will get. Okay, that's it. Now next one is minus 4 by 7 whole power. Okay. The next one is minus 4 by 7 whole power 5. So here we will apply this identity, which is a by b whole power m can be written as a power m divided by b power m. So we will apply this identity here first. So we will get here minus 4 power 5 divided by 7 power 5. Minus 4 power 5 is minus 4 multiplied with minus 4 multiplied with minus 4 multiplied with minus 4 into minus 4 divided by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so this is how you expand the exponents. Okay, see now I am writing 7 power 0. If there is a number whose power is 0, the answer is always going to be 1. The answer is always going to be 1. So 7 power 0 is 1, 8 power 0 is 1, 1 power 0 is 1, 3 power 0 is 1. So if the power is 0, if the exponent is 0, the power is 0, the answer is always going to be 1. So in general, remember this, a power 0 is always equal to 1. A is a variable, which means it doesn't have a fixed value. A could be anything, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1000, 10,000, you can take any numbers A, and that number to the power 0 is always going to be 1. Okay, now look at page number 258, example 10, which is write exponential form for 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. So 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. Now what we have to do is we have to write this in exponential form with base as 2. The base should be 2. So how to do it? First, what is 8? We have to understand. 8 is 2, 4, 2, 2. So 8 has 3 2 in it. 8 has 3 2 in it. 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 has 3 2 in it. So that can be written as 2 power 3. Yes, 2 power 3 is 8. Next, this 8 can be written as again 2 power 3. Similarly, the other two 8s can be written as 2 power 3. Now we have to apply the very first identity that we learned, that if the base is same, we have to add the powers. So here the base is same, then we have to add the powers, which is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is how much? 2. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. So the final answer is 2 power 12. So the final answer is 2 power 12. Now look at example 11. Example 11, let me read out that. Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So we have to simplify. I think I have explained this very clearly in some other classes before, that if whenever there is a word simplify, what you have to do is you have to open the bracket first, remove all the bracket, then bring the like terms together, that is in algebraic expression. Here what we are going to do is we will just expand them and find the answer. Okay, so here simplify. The first question is 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 2 whole power into 3 power 5. So see here, 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 2 into 3 power 5. So how to solve this one? First let's start with the bracket. We have to first remove the bracket. And how to remove the bracket? See, this is in division. These two terms are in division. So what we will do is we will apply this formula, which is a power m divided by b power, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Okay, we will use this identity here. So here we get 3 power 7 minus 2. Okay, so 3 power 7 minus 2 is equal to 3 power 5. So this is equal to 3 power 5 into this is 3 power 5. See, here we applied this identity. Now here we are going to apply this identity, which is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here it was subtraction because it was division, so that is m minus n. Here it is in multiplication, so we are going to add the powers. So we will get here 3 power 5 plus 5 10. So the answer is 3 power 10. Okay students, I hope this you are clear with this one. Now let's move on to the fourth question. No, the third one. We'll do the third one. So third one is 6 power 2 into 6 power 4 whole divided by 6 power 3. So see here, similarly, first we have to open the bracket. Now here this is in multiplication, so we will use the first identity, which is whenever the power is same, whenever the base is same, we have to add the powers, which is 2 plus 4. So this divided by 6 power 3. So we will get here 6 power 6 divided by 6 power 3. Now whenever the base is same and the numbers are in division form, we have to take the base that is and then subtract the powers. We will get 6 power 3. Now no need to solve it further because we want this to be in exponential form. Okay, now let's look the fourth question. Now let's look at the fourth question, which is bracket. So within the bracket we have 2 square whole cube into 3 power 6 into 5 power 6. Now how to solve this one? Okay, so let's start with the bracket. First let's start with this small bracket. Okay, this is in the form of a power m to the power n. We know we have to multiply the powers. Okay, so we will solve 2 power 2 whole power 3 using this identity. So here we will get 2 power 2 into 3 into 3 power 6. Now the next bracket, and 5 power 6. So first bracket is solved. So here we will get 2 power 6 into 3 power 6 into 5 power 6. See, now here, see here, the base is different but the power is same. So we know that when the base is different and the power is same, we have to apply this identity, which is AB whole power m, which is AB whole power m. So you see here, 2 into 3, AB is 2 into A is 2, B is 3. So 2 into 3, 2 into 3 whole power 6 into 5 power 6. So we will get 6 power 6 into 5 power 6. See, again here the base is 6, here the base is 5, but the power is 6, the power is same. So we have to do again the same, we have to apply the same identity here also, or the law here also. We will get here, keep 6 into 5 is 30, 6 into 5 whole power 6, which is 30 power 6. So the final answer that we will get is 30 power 6. So the students, the final answer that we will get is 30 power 6. Now look at example 5, which is 8 power 2 divided with 2 power 3. So 8 power 2 divided with 2 power 3 is 8 power 2 can be written as 8 is what? 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 is 2 cube whole power this 2 divided by 2 power 3. So first is what is 8? 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So that can be written as 2 cube. So 8 is 2 cube. So 2 cube whole power this 2. Whole power this 2 divided by 2 power 3. So we know that whenever we have a case like this, 8 power m whole power n, we have to multiply the whenever we have a power of a power, we have to multiply those powers. So we will get here 2 power 6 divided by 2 power 3, which is 2 power 6 minus 3, 2 power 3. So because this is in division and the base is same, we can just subtract the powers. So now let's look at example 12. Example 12 is simplify. Simplify 12 power 4. Let's look at the first one, which is 12 power 4 into 9 power 3 into 4 divided with 6 cube into 8 square into 27. So how to solve this one? See, let's start with 12. What is 12? 12 is 2 into 6. 12 is 2 into 6. We will find all the factors of 12. 12's all factor is 2, 6, 2, 3. So see, let's find all the factors of 12, which is 2, 6, 2, 3. So the factors are 2 square into 3 or 1. Okay, this is the factors of 12. Now let's look at the factors of 9. Factor of 9 is 3 and 3. So 3 into 3 square. Okay, now 2 square into 3 power 1 whole power is 4. Similarly, 3 square whole power is 3. 4 is 2 into 2, which is 2 square. So the numerator will be like this. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. That is 4 into 3, 12. Whole power 4. Multiplied with 9. 9 is 3 square, which is 3 power 2. Whole power 3. Multiplied with 4. 4 is 2 square. Okay, so this is how the numerator will look like. Now let's come to the denominator. So the denominator here is 6 cube. 6 is 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 whole power 3 into 8 is 2 cube. 2 cube whole power 2. 2 cube whole power 2. Now the next is 27. 27 is 3 cube. See, 27 is 3, 9, 3, 3. So 27 can be written as 3 cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube. So here 27 we will write 27 as 3 cube. Okay. Now let's solve one by one. Okay. So here we will split them. So we know that a power a into b whole power m, we can split it as a power m into b power m. So we will apply this identity here to this one. We will get 2 square whole power 4 into so we will get here 2 square whole power 4 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 2 into 3, which is 3 power a power m whole power n is a power m into n. So we will apply this identity here and we will get 3 power 2 into 3 into 2 square is 2 square. Okay, next is 2 into 3 whole power 3 can be written as 2 power 3 into 3 power 3 into 2 power 3 into 2 into 3 power 3. So see here, finally we will get here 2 power 8, 2 into 4 is 8. Here we will get 3 power 4. Here we will get 3 power 6. Here we will get 2 power 2. Divided with 2 power 3 into 3 power 3 into 2 power 6 into 3 power 3. 2 power 4, 3 power 4, 3 power 6, 2 power 4, 2 power 2, 2 cube, 3 cube into 2 power 6 into 3 power 3. So finally what we are going to do after this is a very simple division, or let's solve the numerator first. Here 2 we have, here we 2 have. So we will get 2 power 8. Let's bring them together first to avoid any confusions. Into 2 power 2 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 6. Divided with 2 power 3 into 2 power 6 into 3 power 3 into 3 power 3. So see, in the numerator these two have same base, different power. These two have same base, different power. These two in the denominator, these two have same base and different power. These two have same base and same power. So what we are going to do is apply the same formula, which is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So we will apply this formula here. We will get 8 plus 2 into 3 power 4 plus 6 divided by 2 power 9 into 3 power 6. So finally we will get 8 plus 2, 10, 2 power 10. Finally we will get 2 power 10 into 3 power 10 divided with 2 power 9 into 3 power 6. So let's solve this one. Let's take these two first. This is in division and the power is same. So whenever it is in division and the base is same and we have different powers or same powers, we will do subtraction. So we will keep the base as it is and we will subtract the powers multiplied with 3 power 10 minus 6. Same thing will be applied here also. So finally we will get 2 power 10 minus 1, 1 multiplied with 3 power 10 minus 6 is 4. So how much we will get? 3 power 2 into 3 power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81. So 81 into 2. So 81 into 2 is 162. So the final answer that we will get is 162. This is very lengthy question and you need good practice to do this in the exam. So students, let's look at the third question of simplifying. The third question says, the third question from example 12 is 2 power 2 into 3 power 4 into 2 power 5 divided with 9 into 4 power 2. So this can be written as 2, see first let's start with 2 into 3 power 4, 2 into 2 power 5. I am bringing these two together and I will keep 3 power 4 separately. Next 9. 9 can be written as 3 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. So 3 square into 4 square. Now see, let's solve the numerator. This two. Let's solve this two. We will get 2 power 1 plus 5 into 3 power 4 divided with one more thing, 4 square. 4 is 2 into 2. So 2 square. 4 is nothing but 2 square. So 2 square whole square. That is what we will get. So here we will get 3 square into 2 square whole square is power of power, which is power into power. 2 into 2, 4. So 2 power 4. So finally we will get 2 power 6 into 3 power 4 divided with 3 square into 2 power 4. Now let's bring these two together. 2 power 6 divided with 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 divided with 3 power 2. So the base is same, the power is different. We will do subtraction of powers. We will get 2 power 2 into 3 power 2, which is 2 to 4 into 3 into 3, 9, 9 4, 36. So the final answer that we will get is 36. So students, with this we have studied all the laws of exponents and we have done most of the example questions. We will see in our next class. Thank you very much.